MiraLoc is designed for pre-operative marking and localization of non-palpable breast lesions or other soft tissue abnormalities to guide surgical excision. The set includes introducer needle, wire localizer, wire introducer, and stopper. The introducer needle with short bevel tip for the easy penetration. MiraLoc wire is thin, flexible, non-kinking wire for easy insertion and secure placement. The tip of wire localizer with firm double hook design provides firm anchoring and helps to prevent dislodgement. 3 distal marker beads with 1 centimeter apart to provide precise reference for accurate lesion localization. The proximal marker bead helps to indicate insertion depth. The wire introducer helps in easy insertion of the wire localizer. The stopper helps to provide secure fixation and stability. Make sure the hook is not protruded out of the needle. The needle is punctured at the targeted lesion under imaging guidance. The hook is deported at the site of the lesion. The needle is removed once the wire localizer is at the lesion site. Finally, place the stopper to secure the wire and maintain stability.